Hi, Tart. Thank you. Thank you dahil dumating na tayo sa point na nandito na tayo. My God, biglang naiyak ako. After 15 years. Kasi hindi ko inaasahan na dadating pa sa point na magpapakasal tayo. And then nga, yung sabi mo sa akin na lagi kong hinihiling yung maghintay lang ako ng right time. So, ito na yun talaga.
Believe that you are mine now. You are just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forevermore.
Jaylene, may Tart, may sweetheart. Sana continuous yung para tayo nagkakilala noon and hanggang ngayon, ay hindi naman nagbabago. Salamat sa sa pagmamahal na binigay mo sa akin and also to our family. At thank you also dahil alam ko matagal na nating hinihintay yung pagkakataon na ito and at least natupad na yung pinakahihintay natin na matagal.
Just can't believe that you are mine now. You are just a dream that I want to. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world as endless as
NRD, mahal, respeto, tiwala. Hindi na kayo bata. Tungkulin niyo ng gumawa at magpalaki ng mga bata.